So this is how you upload a video from iMovie into YouTube. So I have this video done. I finished with the editing process, and now I'm gonna tap on the arrow right here, and you have like multiple options. You can bring the video into another editing app. You can upload it into other social network, but in this case we're gonna use YouTube. You only have to tap on it, and then you're gonna see a menu, and this menu is gonna have multiple options. You can add a name, a description, even tags. You can also select the size of the video, all that stuff, medium, large, HD, and in this case my video was recorded on 720, but also you can do 1080 if your video has that resolution. And you also have the private and public and unlisted options. You can even add a location right here, as you can see. And once you have all that process done, all those options edited, you can just tap on share, and your video is gonna be uploading into YouTube, and you don't even have to save it in your camera roll. Thanks for your time, and if you want to support this channel, I'm gonna leave some links in the description.